I have to give a huge thanks to Martin Moore from the BSA C15 Restoration and Preservation group on Facebook for selling me this carburetor at a rock bottom price. I'm just delighted with it. This is removing the slide chamber top and ring. This is wrong, I'm afraid. Unfortunately, the top is from a pre-monobloc carburetor, not a monobloc. Quickly remove the slide. It's a bit worn, but it's correct. It's a number 4 cutaway. Now we remove the main jet cover. And the main jet. It's correct, a number 140 main jet. Now we remove the jet holder. Followed by the needle jet. The needle jet is a 0.105. Rupert ratio says it should be a 0.1055, so I'll change that. Now I'm removing the pilot jet cover. Followed by the pilot jet. It is a 2.0 pilot jet. This is wrong, but I knew that when I purchased the carburetor. Rupert ratio says it should be a 2.5. Now removing the throttle adjusting screw. And then the pilot air adjusting screw. This is the jet block locating peg. Now we remove the 3 screws and the float bowl cover. That allows the small float spacer to be removed, and then the float. Watch you don't lose that float spacer. Now I'm removing the fuel intake needle seating. There's the wee original nylon needle. And finally the tickler assembly. And that's the monobloc carburetor in bits.